Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. And don't forget, they will help you reach $10,000 a month. Now, let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any time during this review. And when you do, I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus will show you how to supercharge your money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. Now, I urge you to grab this one, and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. When you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. Hence, you become the middleman. And the third bonus will show you how to create a passive income. And this is not any ordinary income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do it with tremendous ease. And the fourth bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system that will help you earn $187 or $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you only need to spend 15 minutes a day doing it. You receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now let's take a look at this review. The creator of this program is Daniel Melandri, and he's an online marketing expert who looks to help marketers and businesses increase results and success. And his videos always meets with great sales. In a nutshell, Motivational Viral Videos version 2 is a package for TikTok, Shorts, and Reels with PLR on all videos. All you need to do is just upload them, and within seconds, you will be able to build a huge viral social media channel. Now, there are 4 things you should know about this product. There's 300 new motivational viral videos that are editable and uploadable to social media platforms immediately. The videos include motivation for mental strength, and motivation and resilience, and are designed to keep the audience engaged. And thirdly, you'll only need 15 minutes or 5 minutes, not 15, only 5 minutes of work with this product. And the content is customizable, and there's training material included. Now here's a quick look at one of the videos. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. For the front end, for only $12.95, and that'll increase to $17. And that includes 3 bonuses, which is including a tutorial guide and 2 more video courses. There's also a front-end bump of 200 additional videos for $9.95. Now, there are 3 OTOs. 1, motivational and inspirational posts for $27. Number 2, kids video stories masterclass for $17, and that includes 2 further bonuses. And OTO 3 is a mega bundle of viral videos for $97. And they come with PLR and includes a huge package of previously released viral videos. Now you can watch for the downsells. You'll save some money, but you might guess less product. Now if you need to know more, click on that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And take a look at my 4 bonuses, because they will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They will show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain reoccurring income online easily, and you will earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now you get all of these bonuses for free, so take advantage of them. Now, bye for now. Talk to you again next time.